Hey there, fellow Robloxians. Today, I'm excited to show you how I created a unique voice for my Roblox character using the power of AI. Let's talk about the AI technologies available for voice generation. From text-to-speech to deep learning models, there's a whole range of tools we can use. Selecting the right AI voice generator tool is crucial. Look for one that offers customization and has a variety of voice options. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting up the AI voice generator. Follow along closely. Here comes the fun part: customizing the voice parameters to match my character's personality. Let's fine-tune that voice. After generating the voice, it's time to record and test it in Roblox Studio. Let's see how it plays out. Now, let's integrate the AI-generated voice into my Roblox game. This is where all the magic happens. Here are some tips on refining the voice output for better quality. A little adjustment can make a huge difference. Unique character voices can greatly enhance player experience, making games feel more dynamic and engaging. In conclusion, I encourage all of you to try AI for your own Roblox characters. Get creative and have fun with it.